Here at BRECOflex, we've got your back. This backing is Sylomer. Sylomer is a mixed-cell polyurethane elastomer that comes in blue, green, brown, red, gray, and yellow. While each of these colors offers different densities ranging from 150 to 680 kilograms per cubic meter, they are generally soft with a moderate amount of friction. As with most backings, hardness is proportional to wear and tear resistance. For recommendations, please consult our Applications Engineering department with your application details. Our steel, stainless steel, and Kevlar tension members provide stiffness and accuracy needed for efficient and long-lasting conveying. The standard thicknesses for Sylomer are 6 mm and 12 mm, and they can be ground to in-between thicknesses. Sylomer is ideal for conveying light parts where backing compression is required. It is often used in general conveying of paper, textile, cardboard, wood, and for haul-off applications. Sylomer offers good wear resistance, a temperature range of -30 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius, good resistance to simple oils and grease, and is available for surface grinding and milling. BRECOflex offers over 3 dozen different backings for a multitude of conveying applications. If you need assistance determining the best backing for your application, you can download our backings catalog at www.brecoflex.com or contact us for free engineering support at 732-460-9500. Thanks for watching.